In this video, we're going to be removing the suspension strap on a top-load washer. So to get at the suspension straps on this machine, first thing we need to do is to release a couple of clips in the front. That allows the front to come off, and then there will be a couple of clips we'll undo in order to lift our top up out of our way. So I just use a putty knife and just insert it between the seam between the front cabinet and the top, and you'll find that latch, and all you need to do is take your putty knife and push it in to release it. And over on this side there'll be the same thing. And after pushing those in, that allows the front to lower down, and you can just lift it off. With the front off, we're going to need a 1/4 inch nut driver, and we're going to need to remove the one screw that holds this clip. And just do the same thing over on this side. Remove that screw, and now the top will lift right up and out of the way. Now this machine has a lid switch, so there's a harness we're going to have to disconnect. And it's very easy to do. You just squeeze the two sides and it comes apart really easy. So to remove the suspension strap, all we need is a 5/16 nut driver. And they're just into plastic, so they're not hard to remove. So you're probably replacing the strap because it's either broken or it's stretched and you're getting a lot of vibration and the tub's moving around and banging so that it's out of balance a lot. So there's 4 straps, and you'd want to change all 4 of them at the same time. There's also one screw, a 5/16 as well. We'll just get the extra fur out of the way here. So while our top one was a 5/16, to remove the connection on the other end, on this machine it's 1/4 inch. You'll see that there's a little finger right here. That's part of that strap. So with the screw out, we just tip our strap down and drop that finger out of the slot. And that's how easy it is to remove the suspension strap on this top-load washer.